In this video, the Warren Fox Group breaks down some of the technical skills necessary for success in investment banking. Practitioners should master a few key technical skills, such as Excel proficiency, PowerPoint proficiency, and academic knowledge relative to deal-making. Possessing these technical skills will directly translate to success within the industry and better individual performance as a banker. Having strong technical skills supports day-to-day activities such as cash flow modeling, valuation, marketing, and deal structuring. Cash flow modeling requires practitioners to create fully functional financial models that easily communicate value to potential investors. Valuation requires practitioners to accurately price deals and assign valuation guidance to support fair transactions. Both these activities require Excel proficiency and knowledge around finance and accounting. Practitioners are also expected to use marketing techniques to position their clients within the capital markets in ways that best communicate value proposition. This part of banking necessitates the creation of marketing materials such as teasers and CIMs, which requires PowerPoint proficiency. And then, lastly, practitioners are expected to manage capital markets processes and negotiate deals on behalf of their clients. This requires a well-rounded academic foundation, utilizing financial, economic, and accounting principles to create the most value for clients during deal negotiations. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below and look out for more introductory videos on banking. Check out the link in our bio and take our free online course if you want to learn more about investment banking.